4-pack anti-pollution riding bandana motorcycle face cover balaclavas for bike cycling windproof 4-pack with 24 filters. Attention! Please choose the seller WinSpem. The product of other sellers are fake, their quality is not guaranteed. Universal half face cover. 4-pack of covers with extra 24-pack activated carbon filters. These could effectively protect you against fog, haze, splattering liquids or mists, and anti-odor. Elastic ear loop and adjustable nose clip. The anti-pollution mouth cover with the elastic adjustable ear loop strap. It is comfortable to wear and not easy to slip. The adjustable nose clip could help you to secure the face covers in place. Safety protection. The reusable washable cover could help you to protect against splashes, and it will stop you from touching your face. Reusable and widely used. The balaclavas is made of a fiber mesh that is over the top of the filters. You could wash material and it dries quickly. Ideal for cycling, riding, hiking, running, gardening. Low breathing resistance. Rapid exhalation valves with a plurality of holes. Double air breathing valve offer maximum ventilation without sacrificing filtration. And it is very easy to replace the activated carbon filters. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.